Welcome back, folks. Today's lesson is all about value, particularly your value, valuing yourself. And my little message here today is, if you're not feeling valued, think about where you are, not who you are. You are a valuable human. All humans are valuable. If you're concerned and feeling valueless, that's more a reflection of where you are in your life, who you're working with, what company you're working for, who you've surrounded yourself with, who your friends are, your relationships. If you're not with people that value you, then ask yourself, what am I doing here? And then simply come to the conclusion that it's time to move. Be well, guys. Take it easy. Value yourself.